Hi, I'm Mary Meyer, Director of Graduate Studies for the Master of Professional Studies in Horticulture at the University of Minnesota. You don't necessarily have to have a background in horticulture or even in science for the MPS horticulture degree. We offer a lot of customization for the program, so you can pick classes that are especially tailored or suited to you. We also encourage internships where people get hands-on experience in the field. We have award-winning faculty that we work with that are always developing new courses and are eager to help you plan your degree. The Minnesota Landscape Arboretum is part of the University of Minnesota, and it's one of the unique things that we offer in the degree, the MPS in horticulture, that makes our program especially unique. So the University of Minnesota has many resources in addition to the beautiful Minnesota Landscape Arboretum. We have wonderful plant growth facilities, greenhouses, growth chambers, climate-controlled conditions where we can do many experiments. And the University of Minnesota is world famous for Honeycrisp apple, now hardy grapes. And our students get a chance to study not only with these professors, but to understand why plants develop in these cold climates, how they can withstand cold conditions, and then what other techniques can we use to grow plants in really cold climates. So in addition to horticulture, we ask students to take what we call related field courses. So these might be in pest management, they might be in forestry, they might be in communications or education, so that you get a well-rounded degree. We do want you to learn horticulture, but we realize that many people might go into business for themselves, so we do offer additionally business classes and other communication and leadership skills, which we feel will help you to be the most successful. People from all walks of life learn about horticulture later in life and realize this is a wonderful career. Horticulture is a discipline that really improves the quality of life for everyone. It's an incredibly creative and rewarding field that you can enjoy and practice throughout your life.